you had that moment now. You're like, I'm doing work for everybody else, but for myself. And you're in that dark place. And you know now you need to make a change. What was the next step?
One decision that I want to make the change.
Yes.
I started
Yes.
I started from there, and it wasn't easy. And at that moment, I felt completely lost. I had no idea what I needed to do, what I liked, which is it's a very dark place to be. I was depressed. I was really depressed, and I didn't show it. People around me didn't know. There are so many people who have problems and they hide it and they look
Yep.
fine on the outside.
Yep.
But I'm sure that if you have asked my friends, not my closest friend, but most people around me would say, "Oh, she's always laughing and happy and positive." And that's
Yep.
what I showed to the world, but I wasn't. So when I realized that, it was I just took this one decision, and then I just started taking one step at a time. It's
Mhm.
making the decision and then taking one step at a time. And
Yeah.
once you start moving,
Yep.
things start happening. And
Yep.
most people, and you may be at a place that you don't believe that, and I get it. But once you start taking steps and moving to the direction that you want to go, even if you don't know exactly. One more thing, I didn't know what I wanted, but I knew what I didn't want. So
There
I
you go.
started there.